up everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Junior. This is Julie.
I'm back.
It is about 7 a.m. right now. We are at the Las Vegas airport. Alright Julie, you want to tell them where we're going?
Can you guys guess where we're going first of all? If you guys follow us. Well, maybe.
Look, okay, little Dora moment.
So, where do we need to go first?
Can you guys guess where we're going?
Wait, how does she say it?
I think she pauses for a second and then she's like...
Oh yeah, and then she waits.
Yeah. Okay, so today we are going to Miami. Oh yeah. So we're going to Miami before we go to our Bahamas trip. So we're going to be there for 24 hours. And we're back. So we are going to Miami. We're going to be there for about 24 hours. After our trip, little small 24-hour trip to Miami, we're going to Bahamas, meeting with my sister and her friends. That should be fun. We've been waiting for this for like a cool minute, and now we're actually like on the trip, so it's pretty exciting. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Oh. I can't believe we're going.
So we just got to our Airbnb. This is the outside. Here's our room. Definitely looks bigger on the app. And it looks a lot nicer in photos. But we're only here for like 19 hours, so let's go.
Toda la noche rompemos, al otro día volvemos. Tú sabes cómo lo hacemos, baby. Baby, tonight's like fuego. We bout to spend the dinero. We party to the extremo, baby. Toda la noche rompemos, al otro día volvemos. Tú sabes cómo lo hacemos, baby. Baby, tonight's like fuego. We bout to spend the dinero. We party to the extremo, 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 extremo. Ritmo. No son ni Reebok ni Sonai, nah. Sin estilista luzco fly, yes. La Rosalía me dice que luzco guay. No te lo niego porque yo sé lo que hay. Lo que se ve no se pregunta. Yo te espero y tengo claro que es mi culpa. Como Canelo en el ring nadie me asusta. Vivo en mi oasis y la paz no me la tumba. Hakuna Matata como Timón y Pumba. Voy pa' leyenda así que dale zumba. Los dejo ciego con la vibra que me alumbra. Haters pa' la tumba, nosotros pa' la rumba.
I think they're over here. Hey! What's up, guys? What's up, what's up? Oh yeah, check it out.
This is a GoPro, bro?
Similar to it, yeah.
Wait,
It's a stabilizer, so kind of like...
Oh, so I have to move it around? Oh no, don't get my head! That's cool!
Yeah, and then you can just move it around.
Wow. Oh, so it...
There you
go.
Alright, so where are we going?
Babe, don't make a sound. 2 a.m. low, gotta keep it down. Don't wait around for a signal now. Give me some verb, I ain't talking now. You wanna ride in the 6? You wanna down in the six. But when I lean for a kiss, you said I'll probably send you some pics. And I'm like, hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cool love. Hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cool love. Body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, finding all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my.
In Bahamas.
Bahamas.
Right now we are at the Coral Reef pool. Okay. And then right now we're about to eat. We're just waiting for a couple people. Okay. But we're excited. Tomorrow we have a great experience. We're gonna be swimming with pigs, stingrays, snorkeling, you name it.
Period.
Period.
So we are currently at the pool area right now. It's pretty cool. Like there's a lot of like little stingrays out here. And then like the view is like beautiful. So if you look at little waterfalls, palm trees, just like vacation vibes. And then we got the pool area over here. Got a little volleyball action. We're gonna be going out there a little bit later. All right, so where are we going, Kim?
We're here in the Bahamas.
Yes.
We're gonna go eat right now because we are all starving.
Hell yeah.
We haven't ate.
Ooh, look at this view.
Our room doesn't it's not available till 4 o'clock, so we're just gonna enjoy, explore, and then then hit them water slides.
Yeah. Oh damn! Look at this view. Look at this view.
Let's go to.
This shit be like Friday nights. This shit made me feel alive. I feel like we in paradise. Paradise. Don't know if it's a drink I pour, but I swear I've never loved you more. Make you right here, I come alive. One more hit and we can fly. That shit feel like.
Alright guys, update. So we currently came to a restaurant to eat because we were hungry, and we got some sandwiches, we got salad, something light because trying to get litty. We got some Bahamas and pina coladas.
Yep. So
And
but
let me tell you, we're already feeling lit, bro. Like it's about 2:21 right now. We have until 4 o'clock until our room is ready. So right now, I'm currently wearing a sweater because it was cold in Miami, or like overcasty in Miami. But we got here, it's hot as fuck. I can't change, but when we're able to check back into our room, we're gonna do that. We're gonna change. We're probably gonna go to like the water parks and do all of that to get wet. Stay tuned. We try to check in at 3 o'clock. And they still told us that we have to wait until 4 o'clock to check in. So we are just here waiting, posting on Instagram. Yes. Pretty much, we made sure that like since we're waiting this long that we're getting a good like balcony view. So he said that we are. So hopefully we are, because I'm trying to get that drone footage. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to say. Okay, stay tuned. All right. Update. We are checking into our room.
what is this?
Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? All right, ready? Let's go. Ooh.
What is this?
Hey, check this out. Should we do a quick montage? All right, let's go.
Close your eyes, only got one night. Just put your trust in me. Give me everything. I need your love tonight. So baby, please don't fight it. Put your trust in me. I'll give you everything. So hold on to me. Never let me go. Right here in your arms is where I wanna be. So hold on to me. for it